Inovus came to the VEC because they were after a partner who could provide impartial advice and expert opinion. Working with the Virtual Engineering Centre allowed them to very quickly roadmap and de-risk their ideas.
We manufacture healthcare simulators used for teaching doctors and surgeons how to perform anything from keyhole surgery through to resuscitation.
The big limitation with those simulators is that it lacks some of the digital imagery that virtual reality simulators bring.
We are extremely vertically integrated throughout the whole company, not only from the functions of the business, but also in the products themselves.
The biggest challenge for our business is always staying relevant.
It's a highly collaborative relationship. We turn up with a problem, go to them and say, this is a problem we need to solve. Can you solve it for us so we can demonstrate that technology using our expertise?
We had a number of products that were in early stage development that we had less expertise in, and so we were looking to explore how we could use things like virtual reality in our existing product range.
It's given us access to that bread and butter project management which the VEC do on a daily basis.
It's allowed us to get that edge over the competition and explore projects much earlier than we would have been able to organically.
The collaboration with Inovus allowed us to bring together our skills in simulation and visualization to help this business implement new technologies in an existing product line. And that was great for the VEC to be able to support a business that approaches us to help them de-risk that innovation.